how I made over 700 US dollars in one day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click. Now, first of all, right, I'm promoting different offers, not only on ClickBank, but I'm going to give you an example from ClickBank, okay? So as you can see over here, I'm going to go over to ClickBank and I will show you one of the offers in the weight loss space, right? Why weight loss? Because it's Nutra, it's popular, it's evergreen niche, right? And later I will show exactly how to pick products on ClickBank, but for now, please stay until the end of this video because I will also share with you exactly what you can get as a bonus from me, as a help for free to actually start generating good results. Now, as you can see, before I go and choose the product, right, I will go and check the commissions I can make. So as you can see over here, all right, I can see I can make over $100 CPA commissions, right, from each sale. So that's great because I'm making $100. Now, when I'm about to promote using Google Ads, let me show you what I do before I even open my Google ad account. I go over here, right, for keywords research, and I type in broad match, phrase match, or exact match, right? So as you know, or you don't know, if you're a newbie, on Google, right, it's very important. On Google, we are targeting people by keywords, especially if you're using Google search, not Google AdSense, Google search campaigns, right? So broad match means that there are many different keywords that can relate to each other, right? It's not exactly the word that someone, like your customer, your client, it's searching for on Google search console, right? So, for example, keto diet for weight loss, diet plan for weight loss, keto weight loss diets, keto diet pills for weight loss. Now, what I'm doing over here, right? I'm trying to show you that what is the cost per click, right? So this is all I care, cost per click, right? Because I want to extract as much profit as possible from my affiliate campaigns on Google Ads, right? So, okay, let's say $1.3, $2.6. So let's say around about $1.5 to $2 per click. Let's say $1.5. I will put as my bidding, maximum bid cost per click. All right, I got keywords. I did some research earlier, right? I'll of course have more and more keywords, but this is just for the YouTube video, for this example, to show you how it works. Now, after I got keywords, right, the next stage is build a landing page on ClickFunnels or WordPress. Now, again, you need to build a real pre-sale page, 5 pages, content-rich landing page, so that you don't get shut down by YouTube or Google, right, or Facebook, whatever ad network you're using. Very important thing. Now, before we go further, later you can find me over here on my Instagram account, right? So all this, like, I traveled over 50 countries, 47 countries right now, all thanks to affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right? So everywhere, Bali, Australia, Dubai, like all around the world, as you can see over here. And the reason why I can do this is because I learned affiliate marketing. I got, if I were a beginner, I would get a mentor, coach, one-on-one support, someone who can actually help me to get this kind of lifestyle, freedom lifestyle that we like to call it, as a laptop lifestyle, right? Traveling all around the world. Now, let's go straight into it over here right now, how it works, right? So this is my system. You see, we have a pre-funnel, which is basically web traffic, lead capture page, and then we deliver tripwire offer, right? Like for example, it can be a $7 or $2 or $1 offer on the front end, and then the main ClickBank product for $50 to $200, right? And at the end, we have email follow-up sequence using emotional triggers. Very important, right? Deliver plus engage, and sell related products. So that's the long-term strategy. If you wanna make over $10,000 to $20,000 per month as an affiliate or per week, whatever your goal is, you need to understand this exact model, my friend. As you can see over here, right? Traffic from Google, because you're looking for buyer's intent, right? We have the message to market match, and we look for quality leads over quantity leads, right? Quality leads we need. And then we know, okay, I'm getting paid $150 to $200 per sale. So it means I need around, let's say, 6 sales to make $1,000 US dollars in profit, right? So I do the math, and then also I can sell, promote related clickbank products on the back end via email marketing, right? Now the next thing is, once you go on clickbank to look for products you want to promote, remember, you need to find the perfect affiliate marketing space, niche, category. Okay, we have weight loss. We have subcategories for those weight loss, like diet, keto, diabetes, cancer, back pain, dental health, right? Fitness, yoga, Pilates. So all these are subcategories in health space. Then we need to be specific. It has to be very, very profitable, in evergreen, right? And that will make your affiliate campaigns much more easier to scale. You know, it's very easy and simple once you understand, oh, okay, I have to go after profitable, hot, proven offers that are paying me at least $200 or $100 per sale. Why? Because I want to make sure that if I'm spending $2 or $1 per click and I send 100 clicks, 100 people, I spend $100, for example, $150, and I got one sale back, only one sale, I make my money back and profit, right? So that's how you should think as a super affiliate. Now, why are most people, like if you're watching this video, why most affiliates fail? They make zero money. Why? Because they cannot get visitors to the website, and they can't make those visitors buy anything. That's, you see, my friend, that's the main reason why you're failing. You have to understand how to bring the visitors to the website and what will make them buy, right? Again, I'm going to give you an example. Imagine you have a Muslim person from, I don't know, anywhere in the world, and offering them a $1,000 steak for $0. $0 upfront, the best South Bay whatever steak in the world, right? Pork chop, the best one. They won't buy. Maybe you would, other people would, but they won't. Why? Because they are not in the market for steaks, for pork, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? Does it make sense, right? I'm trying to help you here for free on this video, right? To teach you, to give you action so you can discover, that you can know, okay, Tim told me this, I should care about audience awareness levels, right? Now, why you cannot make sales? Because you are promoting products that you don't sell. They're not proven to work, right? Super affiliates, we do it differently. We never promote bullshit that doesn't work. We only promote stuff that does work, right? If I know that guy make $1 million, that guy make 100K, that guy make 10K, okay, that means it works. It's proven to work. Another issue, right, example, is you are targeting the wrong people. Again, message to market match, your audience language, right? Their mindset, psychology, marketing behind it, copywriting, all this is important, but you don't have to do this yourself, right? If you're watching this video, you have to understand that there are many different audiences. You have offer aware, product aware audiences, totally unaware, solution aware, niche aware, and problem aware audiences. And depend what message, what language you put on your pre-sale page, it will depend if you get sales or not get sales. I never guarantee anything, but I can say this. If you're watching this video and if you think you want to make $10,000 or $9,000 per month, it is possible. Why? Because do the math. Do the math. There are gurus promising you millions per week, millions per year. Here I'm telling you $10,000 per month is possible if you take action now, right? If you don't procrastinate, if you don't make excuses, if you say, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to start with Google pay-per-click ads, and I'm going to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. My goal is $10,000 per month. What I know I need to do is I need to have someone who's guide me one-on-one, step by step, and I'm going to pay them whatever price I have to pay for me to get the results, right? Because at the end of the day, if you're making 100K per year, that's good money. In many countries, that's a great money. Some people pay for college, to be a lawyer, to be a doctor, 100K, 50K euros or more. Here you can start with $5,000 or even less, $1,000, whatever, and have results, right? So you have to remember, you have to keep this in mind. So what you can do next, you can connect with me if you have any questions. I have a private email list. You can reach me on my Instagram. You can subscribe now, okay? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links, WhatsApp links, Facebook, Instagram is below. but only please reach out if you are serious, right? You need to have at least minimum, let's say minimum 500 US dollars, 500 minimum, the best 5,000 or more. But if you're serious, if you want to make $100 to $200 or $300 per day, yes, it's doable. Of course, it's worth it, right? To get the results. So again, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, if you want to learn how to make money online with ClickBank or any other affiliate CPA affiliate marketing network, let me know. Okay, and see you in the next video.